A social club has 15 members, 8 of whom are men, 7 are women. The committee of the club consists of 5 of its members. Find the number of different ways in which the committee can be formed from 15 members if it must include more men than women. Okay, so it is a question on selection, so it's a question on combinations. So the committee that is selected must have more men than women. So it may only have men. So all those 5 members may be men. So that would be 8C5. 8 men are chosen out of the 5 men are chosen from the 8 men. Or we could have 4 men and a single woman. So that would be 8C4 times we have 7 women out of which 1 is chosen. Okay, so 8C4 into 7C1, or we could have 3 men and 2 women. So 8C3 into 7C2. Now add all of these together and you will get 1722, which is the answer for part A. Part B. The 15 members are having their photograph taken. They stand in 3 rows with 3 people in the front row, 5 people in the middle row, and 7 people in the back row. Okay. So in how many different ways can 15 members of the club be divided into a group of 3, a group of 5, and group of 7? Okay, so 15 members. First we make a group of 3. So 3 are selected out of 15 times, take away 3 from 15, 12 is left. Out of these 12, we choose 5. So 12C5 times, next subtract 5 from the remaining 12 minus 5, that's going to give us 7. So 7 out of 7, 7C7. This would give us 360360. Next is, in one photograph, Abel, Betty, Callie, Doe, Eve, Freya, and Gino are the 7 members in the back row. In how many different ways can these 7 members be arranged? So that means this is now arrangement question, that is permutation question. So that Abel and Betty are next to each other. That would mean we will have to group them together. So let's group them. Abel and Betty are next to each other. This is grouped. This will have 2 factorial arrangements because these are 2 people and they have 2 available slots. So 2 factorial. Okay. Next, we will consider these 2 as a single individual as we do in grouping. Okay. So let me reread the question. In how many ways can these 7 members be arranged so that Abel and Betty are next to each other? That's done. And Freya and Gino or Gino, whatever that is, Freya and Gino are not next to each other. Now, how do we do that? You remove F and G from the group, and we have this. And how many members are left? A and B are done, and we've removed F and G. So we have Callie, Doe, and Eve left. Let's arrange these. So this counts as 1. These are 3. So these 4 individual will have 4 factorial arrangements. And remember, this already had 2 factorial arrangements. So 2 factorial into 4 factorial. Now F and G, they can't be seated together. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 available slots. So times 5p2. So 2 factorial into 4 factorial into 5p2, which is 960.